Alright everybody, welcome back to our channel,
the Parchment Fam.
So today we have another video for you guys, and this one is a kitchen video. So today we have a few different type of seafood we're gonna cook, and we wanna have you see what's going on here. So what we have here, before we get into it, we're not showing you food yet. Go down below the video, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you turn on the notification bell because you come to the right channel. Alright, and you don't want to leave this channel. We have a lot on the channel right now. Go and check them out, and we have more to come. Alright, so now let's show you what we got going on today. We have some salmon here, so you can see this is some fillet sliced up already. So we're gonna fry this down and cook it down. And you can see here we have the season cut up already. We have onion, scallion, and thyme, and a little piece of Scotch bonnet pepper here. You can see them right here. Yeah. Scotch bonnet. So we cut up some small pieces. So
it was up to me.
It's three different meat we're gonna cook. So we have all three separated right here. Three different seafood. Sorry. And here we have the shrimp. We already cleaned up the shrimp, as you can see.
It come clean.
Nice piece of shrimp this. And we have lobster here. I already picked. So now we're gonna cook up a storm. Alright, as you can see on the stove we have here 3 pots. So this one is for the shrimp, this is for the lobster, and this is for the fish, the salmon. Alright,
for fish.
So now we're gonna get into the working part. So now we have gonna get a little bit of black pepper here. So furthermore, we're not using black pepper.
Yeah, because season have black pepper.
Spicy, so we're not gonna use it. We're just gonna use a little bit of meat season and some curry powder. Alright. Sorry about the background. We have a baby in the background. She cry right now, but soon get that sorted out. Alright. So we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of season on this now. Season up the shrimp and the lobster. Yeah, so we are cook up the weekend food now. So as you can see, we are put on the meat season on the lobster and the shrimp. As you can see, some lobster drop out.
Let's start with Father's Day celebration early.
So I'm gonna cook with salt first of all. So I just use season alone. So
you don't have enough salt.
Good amount on it. Season them up in the meat season first. So that I shrimp. Move the curry so you can see what I'm going on. And you can see my curry in a oval thing back because we buy a big pack and we have to store it somewhere, you know. Season up the lobster now. So you see lobster seasoned on, you see me? Meat season gone on that. Meat season up on the shrimp. So now curry time. Because we have chef up this real fast, you know. Real fast. So
yeah, because them cook already, so
they may not take no time to cook. So we just bring a little curry here. Pan the shrimp, some pan the lobster. And then we're gonna rub him up. Right? And rub on some curry on this now. I need more than this pan it right now because we have to burn some in the oil. We are putting this and the season at the same time, so the season can fry up a little bit.
You're putting that on the season same time, or you're putting the season before?
You're putting the season a little bit before.
Oh!
And then we burn the curry on the season, and then we put this in. You burn the curry and the season together. Now this smells like a real curry lobster. When you smell the lobster meat, get up with the curry and all, you see me? See that?
Smelly.
So, you smell it?
No, just smell curry. You want me cookie fish? The salmon?
If you want.
If me want.
Yeah, you want me to cook it?
No matter.
Yeah. That's it. We curry it up now. Lobster and shrimp. Now we are getting to heating up the pot because I'm not going to mess with the salmon as it because I curry on my hand. So I wash my hand a little bit.
Oh, it's not in it. Alright, my crybaby. Boy!
Wash my hand a little bit now. Turn on them, yeah. Heat them up. And put in a little oil and burn some curry. turn on the season one time too, you know. So this is gonna be for the shrimp and this is gonna be for the lobster. Alright. So just go and watch and see what I'm going right now, you know. So you can see me I heat up the pot them right now. We put in a little bit of oil, put in the seasoning and get them there going. Alright everybody, so this is gonna be the shrimp pot. So listen this. So, see that seasoning down in a shrimp pot, you know? That go down. I throw some curry if it burn with that too.
Well, nice.
This is gonna be the lobster.
Hey, my bird me, you know.
This is a lobster pot, people.
I know some don't like aisle. That's what somebody had something. Wait, something to story.
What do you say? So I burn some curry in the aisle too. See that? They want the curry burn. Don't watch it color curry when you burn it. You know, burn it or burn up. That's how it's supposed to look.
Sometimes when you burn it look black.
Yeah, it's supposed to burn. So the stove is on medium right now, as you can see. When you put in the meat, we cook down. And we turn it down a little bit so the curry cook good. The curry, you know, something you want to play with, you know. You want that to cook out properly. Wish you could have cement that your phone, now it's smell nice.
Phone?
Where you watch it on your computer or
tablet
or where you watch it on, you know.
TV.
Yeah, so this is the second pot, it's on the back burner, so kind of stretch over a little bit to get to it, you know. Yeah. Alright people, so see the lobster meat are going right about now in a pot. So we saute this little bit and then throw some water upon it. And now if you use it water and wash out this basin, use the seasoned water.
Very happy.
Lobster meat a jump out. Jump out of the pot, you know, now you get cooked. Try that off right away. So that's the lobster pot. Now we're gonna go for the shrimp. Shrimp what we're going to. So here's the shrimp. We're gonna pour this out in the pot now. Alright.
Nice.
Smell that?
Look at that.
Smell
That's
nice.
smelly. If you want water.
Yeah people, so you can see lobster saute and we see that shrimp. And we cut right about now, you know.
Water.
The cover for the pot right about now because the meat you need to steam. Right cover now. So lobster, you know, that are saute out. shrimp too.
So you can make your own water too. So you just need a little bit of water.
Just need a little bit of water upon this.
Gravy.
Turn on your fire and make it cook down, you know? So watch your settings now. We just get some water in this. And then we wash off your spoon in too.
Nah, waste
Throw
nothing.
him in the pot. None of season water now waste. Alright, now this one little more water so we can have a good amount of gravy. We'll tip a little bit more. Right, and we'll make that cook down because you see a curry. You don't want to cook out good. The curry or something if you don't cook it out good, hurt your belly, you know?
So then say.
And it's a fact. I mean, I'm looking at it.
There's something wrong with the belly. Me curry anyone in the mouth.
That's how you grew up on it.
Why?
Alright, so as you can see, you see it spring it one water, so we just add a little bit more so it cook down. We make some
Also
gravy.
feed bowl.
Yeah, so now we're gonna use the shrimp bowl. Wash this out too again. Wash out the spoon. Make that cook down. And produce some nice thick gravy, you know. So we're gonna cover them up now and make them cook. Alright. So stay tuned. Yeah people, so right now we are going to put some season on the salmon. Get him going in a frying pan and fry him down a little bit and then we cook him down, you know. So as you can see, just pour the season over.
Alright, nobody put too much in the salt.
You know. Don't should buy some fish seasoning, but we use meat seasoning instead, you know, people, so.
We use meat
right now we don't need too
everything.
much season on it because we have cooked down some gravy, and you know your gravy I got had like season
And
salt
that's
taste in
yeah,
it.
that season that we easy for salt, so.
Yeah, so with that we don't need nothing more than this for it. I put nothing butter, but you don't want it away there.
Butter?
Do you like flour?
No.
You know cook it away there.
The way I cook it, so.
The salmon way, you know?
The salmon way.
We are cooking salmon way.
What's the salmon way?
Salmon when we not put no butter upon it.
No butter.
See the progress of the shrimp the people.
That's the lobster.
This is the progress of the that's the progress of the lobster, and this is the progress of the shrimp in the back right here. Alright. Alright, so we have chosen some oil in the frying pan now. Frying pan already hot, so we just have to put the oil in it, store him around a little bit.
Why are you gonna do that?
We don't need no heap of oil because we just have to put the salmon in there and flip them over like that.
Because salmon very easy to cook.
So we're going to use this spatula for the salmon, you know?
They use it and I put it in.
No, I have to flip it.
Oh.
Yeah, people, so see with salmon, yeah?
Well, I think it's season when you cook up it.
So I put him in the oil, flip him over.
I don't want you burn me. Don't scratch it down, you know, because I can't take the burn today.
So we just have to do them 2 pieces at a time. We have 4 pieces, we now rush it. Turn on the fire.
Because salmon has something will break up.
Just want to get a texture and then we take it out, you know? Yeah, people, look. Check for the lobster and store him up and all, you know? See that? We have whole gravy to use.
The gravy then too watery.
Now it's all cooked down some more.
Oh.
It's a gravy not ready yet, man.
Me a contractor, you know, so I just oversee and I say, see what look right. Don't it?
I know my contractor, man. I can artist.
Me a can artist. Hey, time to start sitting there. A joke. But you have to check it out because someone has something easy to I can't turn time I want to cool.
Yeah, people, so we not really fry it out, we just get a little texture and cooking down, yeah? Alright people, so right now lobster meat done cook, as you can see. Look nice. That's it. I turn that off now, as you can see we have enough gravy at the same time. So I turn that off now.
Same fish shrimp too, don't it?
Shrimp now. I turn off the shrimp. So this is the lobster. Take that off the fire. Put it one side. And the shrimp. Shrimp supposed to be ready too. As you can see.
Yeah, and the gravy.
Shrimp ready.
That's probably ready to turn.
That gravy. Look at the shrimp. Look nice. Put that one side.
Alright, ready to turn.
Now,
last side
we're gonna
salmon.
turn this salmon. Now this is the last 2 pieces. So that's one side.
A nice golden color.
A nice golden color, and then we're gonna cook it down. Piece, a little piece come out. So
you eat it before you cook down.
Yeah, somebody have big pan it already, that small pieces. So we make it get a golden color there, and then we're cooking down.
Alright.
Alright everybody, so this is the last 2 pieces. So we're cooking the oil to go and get golden color. Then we're gonna cook it down. So this is 1 piece. And this is the final piece. So that is what it looks like.
I'll make it drop.
This is what it looks like. The salmon. And we're gonna cook it down. So follow me over here, I put it down. And you can take a look on the other side of this one. See that? Look nice. Alright, so right now we know you're out of water and this no cook it. Right? You just fry it. We are cook it down now. So oops. Frying pan with that. So leave it to on right now. This
alright, please move on him with the highlight.
So we're gonna chew out a little bit of the oil here, and then we fry up a little bit of seasoning and chew some water and make little gravy. Put the fish in there and make it steam long in it. Alright?
Please stop stir the oil, I don't like it.
Alright everybody, so this we have the right amount of oil now, because I chew out some of what we previously used and fry the fish. So we are putting the season, fry it up, put a little bit of water in there and make some gravy. Steam down the fish now. Alright?
Oil already hot, so
I see some big thing fry up now, you know, because oil well hot. So this frying pan here is a plastic spoon, so I'm going to change this and come back. Stir up this in the frying pan.
ow, the oil about it. The other was talking with that. If you go to I go then cook Chinese food where them always are show you up in the
Chinese food alone you do so.
Well, me know
when
you're alone in the kitchen you do that too.
Yes, so I fry out them a little bit. You can see. Scotch bonnet, onion, thyme, green pepper.
Legs bag up.
Tomato, you can see steam of fog up the lens, you know. So sorry about that little piece there, we fog it up. So you go. Then you clean it in the kitchen, you know. Alright everybody, so season, saute in the oil, we throw a little bit of water.
That part, yeah.
Throw a little bit of water in there to make it go and cook up, you know. Make some gravy. Yeah, that good. No want too much. So
fish don't need a lot for
we don't need a lot for cooking fish.
Yeah, they cook.
So we just have to put the fish on one side anyway and make it up steam. Because we don't want to turn it around too much and make it mash up, you know. So we get the cover, the frying pan. I have a bad habit to take out the frying pan and don't take out the cover there. So
I like I rang over. Oh, you get it right this time.
That one steam down. Yeah, eat half the fish and the fish not cook it.
I like a piece where you tell me to eat.
Alright, so people, we are putting some ketchup in it now. Right? You hear that?
Did you put water on here?
No, not too much in the frying pan.
Oh. When you reach the bottom now, you put one little bit of water.
So as you can see,
Ketchup done.
ketchup done.
Wash it out.
So we wash it, we use the Jamaican style, you know, we wash out the ketchup.
Nah, we use none.
Nah, we use nothing, nah, we use nothing, nah, that's way.
We need a little more gravy because when that simmer down.
So I get some water in the back
up.
now. I wash it out. See? So we wash out the ketchup buckle now. Yardman style. See that? Now you throw this in a frying pan now. The gravy will get thicker. Yeah.
Yeah, man. You always say that.
So, see, you wash out that and put in a frying pan. Stir that around.
Put in the seasoning in there now.
Taste it and make sure say. It's add a little bit of seasoning there to get some salty taste.
Don't put too much.
And that's it.
And a tad bit of sugar.
And a tad bit of sugar. As the doctor orders.
And me are the brains behind the operation.
Yeah,
you know?
brains. You want the sugar in the car, sugar not have to go in there.
Yeah, brains behind the operation.
So we're going to put a little tip of sugar because I'm me alone I eat it.
Yeah, so if I do alone eat it, you need to put no sugar in there.
You don't have to go in there.
No, you don't have to go in there, but you get a nice little flavor. It's almost like sweet and sour.
Yeah, so that's a sugar.
Sweet and sour fish.
That amount of sugar good.
The amount of sugar good, but you put more.
Yeah, that's good.
That's alright.
Remember, see, I'm going to start this tonight. I'm going to finish, I see like a little bit of ketchup leaving on this.
You're not seeing the no.
Nothing now waste. Drain it out.
Nah, waste nothing nah dash way.
So we'll leave this with simmer until simmer some
Take
more.
out that.
And then we just leave the fish in and make it steam down in there. Alright everybody, so right now we're gonna put in the salmon in a pot. As you can see, gravy and bubble. So we put them in one. Turn them so they can fit properly.
And splash out a little gravy.
That piece break, but it's fine. Then I use the big spoon. Alright, so put the fish inside. Then I make sure they fit so everybody get the base in the gravy right there. So see that? I'm gonna take up some chop on it.
5 minutes and that good enough. See me?
So we just put the gravy on it over it like that. Turn on the stove. And we're gonna leave this with steam for around 4 to 5 minutes. So what we're gonna do is cover this and leave it like that right now, you know? So sure when that done up, you know? Alright everybody, so as you can see, that's the progress of the fish right there. That bubble down nice. Turn on it, shake up the pot a little bit so you can see that cook down. But nice and golden, you know? Look at that. Nice. Proper. You can see it's almost done. We'll share it when we're done. I'm going to see how we get in our plate, alright? Alright everyone, so we
Food
just
done.
complete the task in the kitchen. Food done cook.
Well, let me do a sample and watch.
Ready presented out here, so you know? So
Take a look.
take a look. See what going on with the food. So we have the salmon, we have the lobster, we have the shrimp, and we have rice. Alright? So you see, this is my wife's plate right there. So she put the salmon gravy all over for her rice.
Yes, I'm
Yeah,
like
so that's how she wants hers. So right now, I give it a little taste. Go know your opinion on it and the outcome and everything. So this is the lobster. Oops.
the lobster always a jump out of
So this is lobster. So I give it a little taste with the rice.
Yeah, exaggerate.
Lobster they good. Nice. Bad. Alright, so this is shrimp now. Have a flavor them boy. Boy, we can cook now, you know man.
Whoa, my body.
bad people. This is salmon now. Salmon time. Look at this. How nice and tender this is. Salmon are bad. Not like. Everything nice.
My turn now.
So, my wife will give her opinion on it. So,
I'll be the judge of that.
She's gonna be the judge of my cooking today. So, you're gonna taste yours. You're gonna taste the lobster first.
Maybe I exaggerate.
Tastes good though. Tastes good, people. Shrimp time.
I talk like you are eating. Remember if you make the lobster do that more for us?
Yeah, eat so fast, just a jam down your fork and I tell the people them say shrimp or lobster. Yeah.
That's why I'm done with the lobster.
Yeah. And then you move on to the shrimp.
Shrimp time.
That's a shrimp time. How that tastes? Tastes nice, people.
It's good. Make your answer for me.
Alright, from them they pass. We don't have nothing more to worry about because someone already passed.
Really? How you know that someone passed?
Alright, so you taste the salmon now.
How many taste already?
Yeah, taste that now. Wicked, not true?
It's nice.
Yeah, people, so as you can see, flawless in the kitchen, you know.
You can create your own meal at home. You see, we present it nice but with nice plate. It's like a restaurant we go out.
Like a restaurant we go out. So we have, again, lobster, curry shrimp on this side, salmon on this side, alright? And she's here eating off the food. So she won't even pause with any video. So we are going to try any video now. So pause and let's end the video. So, yeah, people, so eat that now. Video finish. So we're gonna eat now. Hungry. And again, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Remember to head on down below, hit the subscribe button. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Alright, and we have a lot more videos on the channel. Go ahead and check them out. And share them if you can. And we have a lot more videos coming. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.